Bonjour et bienvenue à French with Ananya. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic which is le subjonctif. Many of you find this topic a bit difficult, but I am going to make it very easy for you with the help of some examples and exercise. So let's begin. Subjunctive is used to express an uncertainty, doubt, wish, fear, possibility, obligation and opposition. In French, we use subjunctive after the word que. Watch the video till the end because we are also going to discuss when do we use subjunctive along with some examples and the conjugation of some irregular verbs using subjunctive. Now, first of all, let's see the formation. For the formation of subjunctive, you need to know the present tense conjugation very well. Now, for the formation, we take the stem of the third person plural, which is il and el plural, and we need to remove ent from that. For example, if we take parler verb, the conjugation of parler verb in present tense with il and plural is il parle, P-A-R-L-E-N-T. Now from this we will remove ent and we will be left with P-A-R-L, which will be our stem, which will be our radical. Now to this we need to add the endings e, es, e, ions, iez, ent. So the conjugation will be je parle, tu parles, il, elle parle, nous parlions, vous parliez, il, elle parle. Same way for the second group verb, suppose we take finir, we'll take the conjugation of present tense with il, elle plural and we'll remove ent from that. So we will get F-I-N-I-S-S. Now this will be our radical and we'll add the endings e, es, e, ions, iez and ent. Same way for third group verbs, suppose we take vendre verb. The conjugation of vendre with il, elle plural is il vend. We will remove ent and we'll add the endings e, es, e, ions, iez and ent. So we'll get the conjugation je vende, tu vendes, il, elle vend, nous vendions, vous vendiez, il, elle vend. We can conjugate any regular verb in subjunctive in the same manner. Now let's see when do we use subjunctive. Firstly, subjunctive can be used to express desires, wishes or request after the verbs like aimer, préférer, désirer, vouloir, souhaiter, etc. Par exemple, j'aimerais que tu partes en vacances avec moi. Je veux que vous appreniez cette leçon. It is also used after the expressions of emotions like happiness, sadness, surprise or regret. Par exemple, je suis content que vous ayez de bons résultats. Je suis surpris que tu viennes me voir. Next, it is also used to express obligation. With the sentences like il faut que, you have to always use subjunctive. Par exemple, il faut que vous finissiez ce travail aujourd'hui. Il est important que vous veniez à l'heure. So here we are expressing obligation. It is also used to express an uncertainty or whenever we have a doubt. Par exemple, je ne suis pas sûr que ce soit une bonne idée. Je doute qu'il soit présent pour la réunion. Now let's see some of the verbs which are exceptions, and for these you need to learn the radical part to form the conjugation. Now let's do a small exercise to understand the topic better.
Complétez les blancs avec le subjonctif. First one. Il faut que nous dash à cette question. The verb is répondre. Now, il plural conjugation for répondre is il répond. We'll remove ent and we'll add the endings ions to that. So the answer would be nous répondions. Next one. Je souhaite que le gâteau que vous préparez dash délicieux. The verb is être, and since the être verb is an exception, we'll use the conjugation soit. Le gâteau soit délicieux. Next one. Il est important que vous dash les devoirs. The verb is faire. Faire verb is also an exception, so we'll take the radical fas and we'll add the endings iez to that, and the answer would be vous fassiez les devoirs. Next one. Le professeur exige que nous dash bien avant l'examen. The verb is étudier. The conjugation of étudier with il plural is il étudie. We'll remove ent and we'll add the endings ions to it. So the answer would be nous étudions bien avant l'examen. Étudions with double I. Next one. Je suis heureuse que tu tâches faire cet exercice. The verb is pouvoir. Pouvoir is an exception, and for that the radical is puis, and to that we'll add the endings es, so the answer would be tu puisses faire cet exercice. Next is je veux que tu dash une lettre à tes parents. The verb is écrire, and the conjugation of écrire with il plural is il écrivent. So we'll remove ent and we'll add the ending es to that because our subject is tu. So the answer would be tu écrives une lettre. Next, il est important que tu dash ces médicaments. The verb is prendre, and the conjugation of prendre with il plural is il prenne. We'll remove ent and we'll add the endings es to that, and the answer would be tu prennes ces médicaments. Next, je suis contente que vous dash les honneurs. The verb is recevoir. The conjugation of recevoir for subjunctive with this would be recevier.
Now here's an exercise for you to practice. You can check your answers at the end of the video. And if you like the video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.